Assalamu alaikum. Bangladesh is a land of full of amusement. On the other hand, food represents its tradition, culture, and history of a nation. Food also represents the socio-economic condition of a country. Bangladesh has a vast category of foods across the world, across the Bangladesh, all over the Bangladesh. But it is a matter of sorrow that most of us only have heard the name of the food. It is simple that one cannot travel across the country to taste them all. I am Kaji Sharuk, Rahman, student of Department of Banking and Insurance, University of Rajshahi. My student ID is 1710637131. I am always eager to taste the different traditional foods of Bangladesh. My desire increases when I visited Dinajpur, Rajshahi, Gazipur, Narsingdi, Nator, Chittagong, etc. places and find out that there are numerous tongue-twisting foods items available in our country which needs to be circulated among our new generation and to the world. Have you heard the name of Kalai Ruti of Rajshahi? Have you heard the name of Mezban of Chittagong? Have you heard the name of Kachagolla of Nator? Of course you have, but have you tasted them all? Maybe you have not, because of our socio-economic condition, and it's not simple that one can travel the whole country to taste the food. Then an idea came to my mind, why not accumulate this food to in one place, so that the tourists and the foodaholic persons can taste the most popular food items of Bangladesh. The idea was Dream Food. Dream Food was my dream restaurant. Dream Restaurant is a specialized restaurant where only traditional local famous foods are served. Our goal is to introduce and make familiar the local foods to new generation and to the world. We have decided to build a restaurant on Sugandha Beach, Coxbazar. Why Coxbazar? Coxbazar is the largest sea beach of the world. Every year, millions of tourists visit Coxbazar, so we can utilize this facility to spread our local foods to the world, to the new generations persons.
Our mission is to make popular Bangladeshi food to around the world. As our restaurant will serve our traditional foods to all over the world's tourists, this will make our food popular to around the world. And this will brand the iconic foods of Bangladesh that worth sharing. What are our keys to success? We have a very strong interest of customers because almost everyone of our country wants to taste our traditional foods but unable to taste those because of some restrictions. And these foods are already very popular, but there is no authentic competitor in this field. Who are our potential customers? Our potential customers are those who came to visit Coxbazar with their family, the couple tourists, and with some tourists who have visited our restaurant with their friends, and also the local customers is our potential customers. As we are accumulating traditional foods from around the country, local customers will highly interested to taste other regions local food. However, the major portion of our potential customers are domestic customers, which are our strengths. High public interest is our strengths, and we have some weakness also, like the high transport cost and scarce raw materials. We have very high opportunities in this business, as the growing population of tourists is increasing day by day, and the social bonding around the world is strong. We have some threats like new competitors will emerge rapidly, but we will get the first mover advantage. And another threat is rapidly increasing cost, but this will not hamper our profitability as we may increase our pricing according to the cost.